everyone and welcome to 2-Minute Info. In today's video, we are still on Scratch, and as you might know, this is a follow-up video. This is a part 2 of our project, in which the project was to move our Scratch cat if we press the space bar, and if we're not pressing it, then move it backwards. If you want to check out the last video, then the link will be in the description box below. In the last video, we had done if key space pressed, then move 10 steps. So the output of this will be, so we keep pressing the green flag and press the space bar. Okay, so this is the first part of our project only. It only moves 10 steps when we press the space bar. But what will happen if we are not pressing it? We want it to move backwards, don't we? Okay, for that, today we're going to explore a new block, which is, if you go in control, if then else. Okay, this is just like the if then block, but it has got a separate section for else. So let's explain it a bit. If something happens, then I want this to happen. But if it's not happening, which is the else part, then I want it to do something else. So let's put this key pressed block in here, snap it in, and then let's get move 10 steps block and snap it in here. Let's move this away and get this away here. Okay, so this is what we've got. The else part is lonely. There's no one in there. Don't worry, we're gonna add something. The second part was to move backwards. So we're gonna go in motion, grab the move 10 steps block, but this time we're gonna do minus 10 steps. So minus 10 steps. There we go. Let's try it. So I press the green flag. This time I'm gonna release it. So, okay, it went back. And that's exactly what we want. How about we keep pressing it and press the space bar? It works. So this is how our project will look like. But there's still a twist to it. We still need to keep pressing the green flag, which is not so easy and not so convenient. So to do this, we're going to be exploring another block, but not in this video, in the later video. So to summarize this video, I'm just going to say the code again. So it's when green flag clicked, the go or the start button is clicked, then I want this statement right here to work. And this statement says, if key spacebar pressed, then move 10 steps. Move 10 steps forwards, not backwards. But if the space button is not pressed, which is the else part, move backwards, minus 10 steps. So that's it for this video, and hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something new. You can try this, you can use these blocks and experiment a bit with them, but for now that's it. And for the next part, which is part 3, I'm gonna link it in the description box and watch that. If you haven't watched the first part still, then still go and watch it because it has a new block as well. Okay, bye bye and see you again in the later video.